Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the best dishwasher safe reusable bags on the market, the SPLF 12-pack silicone reusable storage bags. If you're tired of constantly buying disposable bags and looking for a more eco-friendly, durable solution, then stick around. Because these bags could be the game changer you've been waiting for. First off, let's talk about what makes these bags stand out. Unlike traditional plastic bags, these SPLF silicone bags are made from food-grade PEVA material that is completely free of BPA, PVC, chlorine, and lead. So, you can feel confident that your food is stored in a safe, non-toxic environment. Whether you're using them to store your lunch, freeze meat, or organize small items around the house, these bags are designed to last. One of the key features of the SPLF silicone bags is their leak-proof and airtight double zipper closure. This upgraded design ensures that whatever you're storing stays fresh, secure, and free from any accidental spills. No more worrying about leaks in your freezer or baggies falling apart in your backpack. Plus, they're super easy to open and close thanks to the widened, non-slip zipper design. These bags are not just durable, but they're also incredibly versatile. They come in a variety of sizes, including 2-gallon, sandwich, and snack bag options. Whether you're packing a big lunch, storing leftovers, or organizing snacks, SPLF has you covered. And the transparency of the silicone material means you can see exactly what's inside without having to open each bag. This feature is especially handy when you're in a rush and need to grab something quickly. Another standout feature is that these bags are both freezer and dishwasher safe. You can use them to freeze meat, fruits, or vegetables without worrying about freezer burn. The high-quality silicone locks in the freshness while keeping your food tasting great. And when it's time to clean up, simply pop them in the dishwasher. Just remember to avoid high heat functions like the drying cycle to preserve the lifespan of the bags. Alternating between hand washing and air drying is a great way to make sure they last for years. SPLF silicone bags are thicker than many of the alternatives out there, which means they're resistant to tears and punctures. This added durability makes them a fantastic investment, as one bag can replace up to 500 disposable plastic bags. That's a lot of plastic waste you'll be keeping out of landfills, not to mention the money you'll save on buying new plastic bags over time. Now, let's talk about how these bags can simplify your life. They're perfect for meal prep, food storage, travel, or even organizing cosmetics and stationery. Whether you're storing leftovers in the fridge, packing a picnic for a day out, or keeping your toiletries neatly arranged during travel, these bags serve multiple purposes. They're even great for outdoor adventures, ensuring that your food stays fresh and your essentials are neatly packed. In terms of price, the SPLF 12-pack silicone reusable storage bags provide great value. You get a set that covers a range of sizes, all for a reasonable price considering their durability and versatility. If you're looking for a sustainable, space-saving, and highly functional storage solution, these bags are definitely worth considering. So, to wrap it up, the SPLF 12-pack silicone reusable storage bags are a must-have for anyone looking to reduce waste, save money, and keep their food fresh. With their leak-proof design, eco-friendly materials, and versatility, these bags are truly the best dishwasher-safe reusable bags out there. Don't miss out on making this simple change that'll help both your wallet and the planet. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more product breakdowns. See you next time.